balitang programang tumutulong sa pagpapakilala ng mga nabubulong Pinoy na ng kwento ng pag-asa, pagbangon at pag-asenso para sa miliyong mga Pilipino. Ito pa rin ang Prone Pinoy. Higit sa programa, ito ay isang advocacy. At kasama natin live sa studio ang founder at owner ng March Dot.
Isa ako dun sa mga
Yung mga naiiwan at
feeling ko ako
nagpapaka-cleaner.
yung parang like, meron kasi namang level of enjoyment na parang, sige, linisin natin yung kwarto. Kasi nga parang like, wala lang, parang novelty. Pero, yeah.
To be fair, kasi usually pag ganon, bira kasi ako makauwi ng maaga from school because I would have like dance practice, ganyan. So, madami kaming ganap after school.
After school.
Na usually, hindi na kami inaabot ng maliwanag. Alam mo yun, by the time we leave the school, madilim na. So, pag gano'n na umabot ako na may cleaner, usually, nagmamadali ako to go kasi nga parang excited ako to finally go home early.
True. Hindi,
So,
ako
may
naman
ganun.
kasi more of parang I'm a very task-oriented person. So, yung parang pag binigyan mo ako ng task na, uy, lilinisin mo ito.
You'll do it kahit walang
I
grade.
wanna make sure na malinis siya talaga. na
Tsaka kasi may ka-group kasi ko na parang annoying. So parang, tsaka parang bagay siyang magaling siyang maglinis, gano'n. So, go na lang, diba? Parang
Just
ako,
give it to them
I
to do the
mean,
job.
you do it. Go.
Yes. Okay. And also, from Krister,
Number 8.
yung todo pa nod-nod ka pa ng ulo as you're listening kunyari sa town hall meeting. Pero actually, hindi ka naman nakikinig. Lalaro ka.
I heard that listening to music on the side.
Alam mo, madali yan kung marami kayo.
Kung marami kayo.
But if it's
Kung
like,
marami kayo.
hello, kung
If
ilan
it's a
lang
small
kayo,
group of
I think
people,
it
it's
would be very obvious. You might get called out.
Yung
So,
town hall na mukha talaga kayong mini town. Kasi
Oh.
ang dami-dami.
to be fair, I feel like I can do a good job of like nodding and like paying attention without actually really paying attention. Yung hindi
Yeah.
naman ako chumichika dun sa katabi ko, nakatingin naman ako, nakikinig ako. It's just that I don't really absorb anything. Pag mga ganun na, minsan, if it's,
Oh.
kunya, hindi naman masyadong vital yung information. Parang namamatic tune out
The
ako.
best thing to say is, oh my gosh, the internet is really, really bad. I have to turn off my camera.
Hindi, kung live.
Ay, kung face to face.
Face to face. Kaya town hall. Parang meeting talaga. Everyone's there. Mahirap.
Oh, hirap.
Obserbahan ko kayo sa susunod natin ito. Malapit na eh. Diba? Sige ha, titingnan natin.
Wow! What?
Uy! Sige pa, OA yan tayo.
Oh, ganun.
O pagalingan, o.
Are you?
Lumabas na naman.
Oo, ganon. Ganon.
Bakit kasi walang improvement? I mean, okay naman siya dun sa Wonder Woman. What happened, Bella? Why are you crying again?
Yeah. Where's the stone?
Hello.
Hallel, no!
It's not that she didn't get better, she got worse.
She did.
She
No,
got
but the
worse.
thing is, what happened, Bella? No, we just didn't know how she was as an actress or how she was as a person when she came out as Wonder Woman. So we were like, oh, she's playing a role. And then she played other roles and it was just her.
It's the Wonder Woman.
Or it's still Gal, not Wonder Woman.
Pero yun nga, I really think that there's a lot to be said talaga with that. Nung nagkaroon ng hate train, na ano siya talaga. Kasi di ba, like when Wonder Woman came out,
Yeah.
hindi naman was saying
She was a superstar, yeah.
Yeah.
a bad job. Pero ngayon, pati yung mga Wonder Woman scenes, ginagamit as examples of how bad she is. So I was like, why the shift? Hindi naman ganyan yung call before, eh. Di ba? Everyone's like, she's an amazing Wonder Woman. Meron din talagang, it's also an after effect of the hate train.
Yeah.
The Katy Perry curse.
Parang ganon.
Because they'll find everything wrong
Yun
with you
nga.
as opposed to finding,
Totoo.
everything that's
So,
good with you.
Honestly, I mean, she's not an Oscar-winning actress or anything, but I don't think she is as bad as the hate train would convince you. I mean, there are worse. Like for her to be like
Yeah, I guess.
the face of bad acting. Parang weird.
Well, maybe it's also because she's getting good projects. So parang maybe that's why.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that's probably it. And what
Or,
she's
well, like Rai said, pwede rin political hate.
Yun nga eh, it's political talaga.
or well, when she becomes a little bit more underrated again, I
Pero
guess.
yun
people are
natawa
gonna
ko
watch.
talaga dun sa...
Are you?
Wala talagang spooky fish. Like, yun na. Like, yun nga, like I'm saying, kasi it's like, are you against me?
Are you?
Ang ganda nung switch talaga. Kasi hindi naman ganun yung...
It's also
It was
one-two.
so-
It's also a one-two punch.
Hindi, pero like, for example, yung, ano yun? In the Nile.
Because it was a group piece. And okay, listen. So it's her and Rachel Zegler, and you put them both in the movie. Oh my gosh, they're gonna highlight all the negative sides of God. If it was not Rachel Zegler, because everyone was already on the hate train for Rachel Zegler.
Oo.
They, yeah, I guess Gal Gadot caught strays.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, she's not, like I said, she's not a great actress, but she's also not as people are, you know, saying she is.
Are you?
Parang daw yung intro. Eric Robles.
Introvert? Hindi niya talaga napigilan. Hindi kasi minsan talaga introvert ako. Introvert! Kasi ramdam mo yung kwelo niya. Hindi kasi. Kasi diba, nung pumunta tayo ng Hong Kong, lumambot yung delivery.
Nobody can accuse me for being fake, okay? Kasi at least,
Introvert? May ano pa talaga, may facial
oo,
expression.
lumalabas
Like,
talaga.
if there's anyone who is 100% extrovert, it's Rico Robles.
Yeah, that's true.
Kayo nagsabi niya, ha? Hindi ko na kino-question. Kahit lang ako dito.
Yung switch. And from the cynical optimist,
Number 7.
performative behavior, yung showbiz sweetheart, ang image, tweetums, sobrang lovable, pero sobrang maldita off-cam.